The Meadows Row is a fantastic unilateral exercise for targeting the lats, middle back, traps, and rhomboids while also working the rear deltoids. Here's how to do it correctly. Load a barbell with an appropriate amount of weight on one end. If you don't have access to a landmine, simply position the other end of the barbell in a corner of the wall and floor. Stand perpendicular to the barbell with the loaded end positioned slightly in front of you. Get into a staggered stance with the leg closest to the barbell slightly back and the other leg slightly forward for stability. Hinge forward at the hips, maintaining a straight back and neutral spine as you brace your free arm against your knee to increase the stability of the movement. Grip the barbell close to the weighted end using a pronated overhand grip. Keep your arm fully extended without locking the elbow. Tighten your core to stabilize your body throughout the movement with your back flat to avoid rounding your spine. Exhale as you pull the barbell toward your torso, driving your elbow back. Your torso should remain stable and facing forward rather than rotating during the movement. Use a controlled motion that initiates the movement with the working muscles rather than jerking the weight up. Squeeze your shoulder blade at the top of the movement for maximum lat engagement. Inhale as you slowly lower the barbell back to the starting position, maintaining control throughout the descent. Repeat all the reps on one arm, then switch arms and repeat. Subscribe to get a new exercise video demo every day.